All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. And with today's video, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing and review video of a Spigen case for my Google Pixel 4a 5G. So this is gonna be the liquid armor case. This comes in at $12.99 currently on Amazon with Prime shipping. If you are interested in buying this case after this review video, then do follow my affiliate links down in the description. Just by clicking that link and buying anything on Amazon, guys, you would be supporting my channel because I do earn a very tiny small commission from every purchase that you do after clicking that link. So if it's the case, if it's, a phone or a camera or whatever it is, heck, even, a coloring book for your kid, you would be helping me out. So big thank you for that. Now let's go ahead and take a peek of the actual box here. So I'll put the phone to the side here. So with the Spigen box, you do have that basic white box with that ghost finish logo there. You got the Spigen brand in here up top. Got a picture of the device with the case on it. It is once again the liquid armor for the Pixel 4a 5G, but it will look identical if you have the 4a. Obviously the 5G is just a little bit bigger. Spigen on this side, nothing on this side. And then of course you got the slim fit, form fit for the device, all that stuff on the back, but not really gonna waste too much time on the video on that. So you pull the tab up and you get the case out. And of course it's always in this plastic wrapping. So let's go ahead and get that taken out. And there is the actual case. So let's go ahead and flip it around and look at the interior. So you have that recognizable Spigen spider web design that's going up against the phone. You do have that Spigen branding and logo there that's in Latin. And then of course it does say Spigen Inc., Irvine, California. Now with the interior, once again, with every Spigen case, pretty much you're getting that air cushion technology in the corners. So as you can see here, it says that right there in the corner there, air cushion technology. So that's gonna help once again with phone protection if you drop your device in this case. So it's gonna help dissipate the energy away from your device to hopefully cause or to hopefully not cause any damage on your device, depending on how hard or how high you drop it. Now let's go ahead and grab the phone and look at it with it actually installed. So I'm just gonna pop it in like so, and there we go. And there is the phone in the case. So with the liquid armor, you know what you get. You have the whole entire back with this matte black material that I always say looks like a race car tire or something like that. I just always think it looks like a tire or like one of these like high-end racing watches that have a watch band that mimics a tire. It just reminds me of it. So you have that whole entire back in this material, and that's gonna help with grip a little bit. So it does add a little texture to it. So that is gonna help with holding it in the hand. You do have a cutout here for your fingerprint scanner. And as you can see here, once again, it does kind of have that toilet bowl look where it makes it real easy to look for it and find that fingerprint reader when you are looking for it. So as you can see there, I mean, just easily finding it with no issue at all. You do have some raised lips around the camera bump there. So they're not super thick and chunky, but obviously with the slim design of the case, that's what you want. Is this slimmer design there around the camera bump, but it's still going to do the job and help protect this lens and camera bump from scratches if you do lay it back down on any type of surface. So let's go ahead and see if it's shaky by any means. So actually no shake at all with the actual back of the phone. So it is very flat with no wobble. Now as far as the side goes, you do have a texturized little strip there on the sides that do go all through actually. So I like that. So it goes there, stops, goes, stops, goes. So the whole entire side has that texturized grip. Now, as far as the buttons go, they are raised as you can see. And so they are very easy to find. So I do like that. I'm a big fan of raised buttons. And then going down to the bottom here, you do have a cutout for your USB-C port and your speaker grills. And then going to the side here, you do have the Spigen branding, so that is where your branding is going to be right there. But the same thing is you have that texturized grip, but it starts, stops with the logo and continues on all the way to the top. So I do really like that because it does help with that added grip when I'm feeling it. I can really feel that in my hands. and you almost can hear it a little bit. So, and then up top, you have the cutout for your 3.5mm headphone jack, and then of course your microphone. And then around the front of the device, you do have raised lips all around the whole entire front of the phone. So you are getting a complete protection of your screen. So that is very nice. And if you do place it face down on any type of surface, it's gonna help protect the screen. And it is very flat, so there is no shake at all. Now, as far as the cutout for the speaker grill, once again, it is a very minimal chunk cutout there, just a very tiny cutout there for the speaker grill. And I said that in my other videos, I'm a big fan when they just make it the exact width and not some giant cutout. And then of course there is no interference with the screen or the camera up at the front or anything like that. So definitely a big plus. So next, let's go ahead and do the clicky button test and see how responsive they are. So let's start with the power button first. Volume up and down. All right, so very clicky buttons, so definitely no issues at all with the clicky button test. Definitely responsive, big fan of that. So there you have it, guys. There is the Liquid Armor case for the Google Pixel 4a 5G. Like I said, if you are a fan of it and you have the 4a, it's gonna look identical, just a little smaller. But yeah, so hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, I would appreciate a subscription. And do ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. I post videos at least once a week, so do please come back for more, guys. It makes my heart all warm and fuzzy when you do. So be safe, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.